Let us present you with the Investment Management Application, Digital Building Passport. It will allow you to easily, for example, control their status, plan renovation, optimize costs related to the maintenance of individual buildings, and manage media consumption from the application level thanks to the self-regulation panel, which is a unique option thanks to which you have real influence, for example, on energy consumption. What is important? You can also easily align energy consumption with Directive of the European Parliament and of the Council EU 2018/844, which aims to ensure high energy efficiency and decarbonization of building resources by 2050, enabling the cost-effective conversion of existing buildings into nearly zero-energy buildings. The application comprehensively combines all elements of your investment management. See how many opportunities it gives you and how much you can improve your work.